I am Rezamin Labitag,
And I am Richard F. Balde.
and we are the Guardians of the Nature. And we're here to give you tips on how we, as the youth, can contribute greatly for a cleaner and greener environment.
According to our report made by the Philippine Institute of Authority, the population in the island is very active and it's rapidly increasing annually.
Did you know that half of the population consists of youths? That's why, if we would all take the responsibility, we can make a difference.
Let's go!
Guardians of the Nature!
Tip number 1. Conserve water and electricity. This includes turning off lights and unplugging appliances that is not of use. Additionally, we should not leave the faucet open after using it. We must consume water efficiently as well as the electricity. And did you know that using cold water can save up to 80% of the energy required to wash clothes? We must also limit our water usage when taking bath, especially for girls who take 2 hours of bathing. Better change your habits now.
Tip number 2. Reduce food waste. Humans throw about 40% of our food every year. With the global food waste produced each year, we have enough to feed the nearly 1 billion hungry people in the world. That's why we should only buy or cook what we can only consume. And also, take note of the expiration dates.
Tip number 3. Driver. Biking, walking, or using public transportation is recommended. It is also much better since the air pollution is a huge crisis in our world that has already killed millions of seabirds, thousands of mammals, and greatly increases the risk of asthma and heart attack. Emissions of chemical compounds into the air have greatly altered and modified the composition and energy balance of the atmosphere, thereby accelerating the pace of climate change.
Tip number 4. Say no to plastics. When going shopping, using eco-friendly bags are necessary. It is reusable and doesn't suffocate animals who get stuck in them or may mistake them for food. Bringing tumbler in schools are also being practiced, and bamboo straws as well as edible straws are also being implemented. It takes long years for plastics to decompose, and some never. Always remember the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycling is one of the most popular and most impactful ways that can help the environment. However, reducing our consumption remains the most powerful.
Tip number 5. Use paper less. This includes printing less. PowerPoint presentations are now implemented as well as electronic billing and electronic learning that uses less paper, meaning less trees are cut. Teachers can reuse their handouts and students can give their notes to the next batch or at least recycle papers.
Tip number 6. Choose natural products. We use detergents and most of them are bad for the environment. Everything that goes down a drain will eventually find its way back to a source of water again. Choose natural soaps, shampoos, body washes, and laundry detergents to help keep our natural water supply clean.
Tip number 7. Eat local. Food travels result to a lot more emissions and packaging needed than if you just ate at the local restaurant or cook your own.
Tip number 8. Support organizations that help our environment or join activities dedicated for nature. Activities done in schools involve tree planting, gardening, cleanup drive, and a project wherein students need to pass a pillow or plastic bottles containing pieces of plastic trash.
We have coastal bakawan planting. Next is clean up the drive yung ginawa namin yung August. Third, palit bigas yung sa bagal. Fourth is recycled waste workshop and training. Fifth is waste segregation advocacy. And the last is yung proper solid waste disposal and implementation. So, sa mga kabataan na nakikinig, hindi lang dito sa barangay namin, even sa diet or sa buong mundo, we highly encourage everyone na tulungan kami, tulungan ang gobyerno na mabawasan ang basura and ma-minimize also yung pollution sa mundo.
You don't need to be a millionaire, you don't need to be an expert or a scientist.
You just need to have a good heart and make a firm stand.
And together, even with our small steps, we can contribute to make a huge difference to save and protect our environment.
Do you love the nature?
Well, only through action do words take meaning.
Watch out, because we are the youth.
Guardians of the nature!